Good morning, Papa Bean. Thanks for joining. How are you today? I was trying to create a quick Instagram stuff, photo real, not real because it was just a picture. But of course, I didn't have enough time to do it. I really need to optimize this process. Because it's taking me ages. I'm not doing it most of the time because it's taking me ages, so I really need to, I don't know, find a way. The stream health looks good, everything looks okay. Let's jump into it, right? So what are we going to do today? A quick one. The preview is broken on my feedback screen because there is too much views now, so I'm gonna break down this a bit. Then we will work on the text field for adding a reset button. This is not there by default, and it's a shame in my point of view. So we are gonna do this. Fine with me, a bit tired, but I've been sprucing up my resume and redoing my website for the 20th time. Yeah, I can imagine. Well, we've all been through these kind of things, and it's also super tricky because this is coming with the experience, but you need confidence, and the confidence is coming by the time and with the time, and everything. So it's no worries at all. I'm super annoyed because I was planning to have one, but it's not gonna be possible. This is really annoying, but I think I need to break down the button. The tricky part for the button is going to maybe no. Let's create a view first. Button. Oh. Button. What's the name of the view? Menu feedback button. Send. Send button. This is a long name. So what do we need? We need nothing actually. We need nothing because this cannot be private anymore. Button statue. Which is a button state, but the button state is I'm super annoyed. This is breaking my perfect structure. Think, Jeremy, think. Because if I'm splitting something else, that's weird that it's not working because there is nothing in this view. Let me just property must be declared private. No, I don't want to run. Oh, putain. I think the preview is gonna crash again. But I don't really understand because there is not a lot of things here. Maybe I'm removing the navigation view to save one view. Voilà. Compiling failed. The compiler is unable to type check this expression in reasonable time. Try breaking up the expression into distinct sub-expressions. Yeah. I think I'm lazy for doing this today. Let me check something. No, I'm not checking anything actually. I'm gonna break this. Yeah, I'm gonna break this. Allez. Come on, Jeremy. Oh là là. Feedback. Text. Field. We need a title. No, not a title, a placeholder, right? And a text. We need a text. And we need, of course. Come on. Struct var. Yes. Of course, Jeremy. Voila. And for this, it will return a section. Right, let's return a section too, so it means that I need to have the there we go. Text. No. Oh la, this morning. Here we have the header, here we have the placeholder, and here you go, the text. and var bool, no, var email by default it's false. Okay. This is possible. Okay. The only annoying part okay. And the email one, I don't really like doing this kind of thing this way, because it's adding complexity. Good morning, Alex. How are you doing? So this is a text. This will be the placeholder, and this will be the header. Just for properties like this, it's a bit annoying. Everyone is tired already, ready to go home from work. An hour or two, yeah. Everyone is super tired. I don't know if it's winter, if it's the mindset. This is fucking COVID, but fucking annoying COVID. But it's everyone is tired. I'm hearing this all the time. Alors, this one is not an email, donc we are gonna do it this way. The header is gonna be this. NS localize the string. This placeholder is also a localized string. Placeholder. Thank you. And the text is gonna be. Should I put binding also there? $. Fuck, which one is it? Title. Does this is possible? Yes, it is. I'm still working on a feedback screen. The feedback screen being the a form, swiftui form, creating. I can do it. I'm also super tired. Creating a GitHub issue, sorry, to get feedback or bugs from users. Yes, it's a train app. Did you? It's on the store, dude. It's on the store. By the way, everyone who is watching this, if you can just download the app and put it 5 stars, I will appreciate it a lot. I will. Not I would, I will. And this is the thing. And this now is... Of course it's on the US App Store. Densha Otaku. If you're on the Discord, you have 1 year for free code. to unlock everything. So first check. Does the preview is happy now? I'm not sure, because I didn't break a lot of things. I just removed the section. I'm not sure it's enough. And seeing the time that it's taking, I don't think it's working. Yep, it's not working, which is weird because there is not the maximum views right now. So I don't really understand what's going on today. Oh, yeah. Well, this is super weird. But you know, the App Store is especially the search part of it. Well, okay, guys, we are not going to waste our time on this because it's super annoying. So what I'm going to do is to create a preview, not for this one, but for the text field, because what we are going to do is to add some field. Placeholder, type something, dude. And the binding, this is always a tricky part. How can I do a binding on SwiftUI? Preview, all the time I have to look for him. SwiftUI, and the camera just disappeared. Preview binding, boom. There is static something, yeah, voila. See, it's at state. Is it inside the thing? No. At state preview, var preview. Static. Static var probably, huh? It's probably better this way. And here we are binding the preview. Okay. Thanks a lot, Alex, sorry. Don't tell me that you're not able to preview a fucking text field. What the fuck is going on this morning? Okay, so there is a real issue. Just one sec. Okay, so my preview is not working. The preview is like completely broken. Because this is a single view and the stuff is telling me. Did I miss anything? No, the other one, the other part is it's a comment, so it cannot be this way. This is going to be tricky because I would like to check. Oh, let's try something. gonna clean the thing first. Oh, thanks. This is super nice. It's funny because I was watching the App Store Connect stats yesterday, analytics, and it looks that the app is a lot downloaded in India, and I haven't even pushed anything on Twitter. It's like completely organic because I didn't, except people coming on the stream like you. I didn't tweet yet about it. I didn't put on Instagram about the App Store release. Nothing. No one is aware except people watching the stream. So that's really funny. And it looks like there is a lot of Indian people downloading it. So I need to check what's happening there. It's funny. That's the funny part of the App Store. That fucking god, what the fuck is happening? Should I change the name? I mean, it's just text. Okay, I'm removing the state. Go ahead. Yeah, I think I need to restart Xcode. Well, let's have a break because I don't want to. Okay, this is okay now. This is okay. The music is not too heavy because it's a bit loud in my loud, so not heavy, sorry, but loud in my ears. I don't know how is it for you people. Resume the preview. Why my iPad didn't keep the stuff open? I think it's still the same, sadly. What the fuck is wrong with this view? This is super weird. Does this one is okay? Yes, I know. Okay, so Xcode preview is completely broken today. This is going to be fun. This is really going to be fun. Well, I'm gonna remove it, otherwise it's gonna be annoying. Bon, this is gonna be annoying. I don't know what's happening currently. It's super annoying. Okay, so this part is okay. Alors, what do we want to achieve here? We want to change this text field. We don't want to change it. We want to have a button to reset the content. Ever is in the place. How are you doing? I'm super jealous of all the snow you have in your place, man. I love snow. Reset button. I'm super jealous of all this snow. For us, it's nothing. It was even 8 degrees, I think, this morning in Amsterdam. I don't understand the winter this year. What do we have with this reset button? We have a binding. var content, which is usually a string. Var body, some view, boom, 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 button. System name. Forgot the X mark. SF symbol. -7 degrees. Winter, like real winter. I would like to see this. Am I using this one or this one? You know what? We are going to run the simulator and see what the default Xmark button is, because I don't remember. We cannot search for a setting. Oh, fucking god. Maps. Okay, give me the search field. Oh, that's exactly what I want to achieve here. Okay, good. So that's the field one first. Small foreground color, UI color. And I think we are going to use this. Okay, and now on the text field itself, we will have a z index. Let's stack. I'm doing web now, and if content, not content, but text. If text is not empty, so reset button. Ah oui, content. Content is text. A binding on a binding, I'm not sure that's the best idea. Let's see if it's working. But first, a bit of coffee. Okay, so we have this. Let's run and see how it looks. The button should be in the middle of the view, so this part is okay. Maybe what I can do already, it's alignment center to have really everything in the view, and this I'm gonna put it, center it manually with this. Come on. An edge stack with 2 spacers. I don't, just one actually. I'm stupid. Just one, but it means on this one we'll have a padding all over the place. Well, let's see first how it works. Okay, so we cannot see the picture. Ah, here we go. And of course this should be above the text field. So this is a funny thing that it looks at resizable. Scale to fit. Resizable when you're giving image scale is like completely stretching the image. This is too much. So if I'm keeping it this way, I think I need to remove scale resizable. Yeah. There is something annoying because with this it should be now on the left side, right side. Here we go. So this is a bit too small. But the padding shouldn't be there. I think I will have to give it a size. Otherwise it's gonna change the size of the view. It looks, yeah, it's smaller, but it's changing. Alors, we don't need the... Maybe I just don't need the padding. I would be surprised to not have to give a padding, but... No, I don't need a padding actually. Fantastic, this is... I can do it, Jeremy. This was easier than expected. On GitHub issue, which is pretty neat to be honest, because I was really struggling. This is why. Give me just a sec. Yeah. So it's creating. I can show you in a minute, because this is really cool. Run demonstration. Well, we worked together on it actually. First, Megan did it. And then I tried to. I saw the post and I said, "Oh fuck, that's exactly what I need to do." So this is the field, the view now. This is a test. It's not a package, but I'm posting. You can find it on the Discord also. There is a GitHub gist. With exactly the same view. I'm gonna update it today with what we are doing, and that's it. My email at myemail.com. This is really annoying. And when you're clicking on send, you have the statue, and boof, it's coming back by itself. Yeah, but it's why I picked up immediately the same idea with Megan, because it's not I picked up the same idea. I copied completely what Megan was doing, and yeah, that's it, more or less. I can show you right now. There is on my, where is my profile? Your guests. So there is two things that I've posted yesterday. So this feedback view and UI devices.swift, because my view, if you're watching the code here, is sending this. So you have the version of the app, of course, the build version, the device model, and the system version. And the device model is using this long list of devices. So I mixed two things, this post and this. So this is for picking up or printing the thing. I simplified this to have one list because it doesn't make sense to create a model for this in my point of view. So especially because you need to interpret the thing after. I don't understand, but anyway. So I picked up this. And there is a guy called Adama Wolf, who is updating a full Apple devices list. So even the watch, everything is there. So I picked up this and put it in my file that I lost my file, or which I lost already. On this one, with the same things, except that now you just have this list, and it means that this list will work wherever you want to run it. Even for watchOS, it's gonna work. Even tvOS, I think. No, maybe I didn't put the tvOS part. And yeah, everything is there. Everything is on the Discord. Just go to Discord. Boom. And everything has been posted there. And maybe because we are here, we can... it's not working from GitHub. From Densha. So the stuff that we just posted is there. So now you have this, the email of the user, if of course the user is sharing his email, his or her email. The device name, so this is a simulator, that's great. iOS version and Densha version and the build version. So it's working pretty good. And it's amazing because I want to have everything centralized, and GitHub issue is enough for me. It's like fantastic. It's really cool. I agree. Bon, our reset button is working like magic. Another thing I would like to do on this. Where is it? We are here. We have the kind of thing, so that's exactly where we need to work. Feedback, introduction. Localized strings. And I think the feedback is on the bottom of it here. So here I'm going to add feedback description. No, introduction. That's what I did. Fuck, I forgot already. Let's copy paste. A new feature. Feel free to use this form. I don't know the yeah, it's a form, huh? I'll do my best to answer you. I'll do my best to let your email address, and I will do my best to answer you as soon as possible. Thanks. Are you open for some feedback on that XG? Oh, I'm open to everything, every kind of feedback. Alors, there is something else, man. If you want to help, because you're like kind of fantastically welcome. There is a dedicated repository for localizations. I'm going to update it today, but this one, you have all translations, and if you want to review, help, or whatever, feel free to do it. Just wait a bit, because I'm going to update these files with the what I've did today. Do you have a question, encounter a bug, or just want to ask me a new feature? Let your email address, and I will do my best to answer you as soon as possible. I don't know if it's really nice to use emojis, but I like emojis. No, I'm gonna copy paste this for now in French. Do I have? Yeah, I still have coffee. But now it's done. Oh. Ooh la 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 la. Now, first we are going to do this. No. Come on! You keep reading between the lines. Seriously? It's not text, it's font. That's not like I'm not doing this every day. System, yeah. I'm gonna do footnote and rounded design, of course. Oh, that's something I forgot on the text field. Nothing is using rounded. Oh, this is not good, Jeremy. This is not good. Let's have a look. Ah, this is looking far better. But there is a bug that I found recently. Well, it's not a bug. It's just that if you want your sections, your list, sorry, working well, you need to put sections. If you want your cells to work this way and not adding a divider all over the place, you need to add a section, and then it's working well. I'm not sure I like this spacing here. Even the send button is not properly system design. No, I'm gonna do it in a different way for this one. This is really annoying to have the preview completely broken. Okay, so this is looking better. After it's working like this, shouldn't be so. I'm asking myself if I shouldn't. I don't know, maybe so. So we have our, because the spacing is super weird. Maybe I should try something also here. Ah, haha, look at this one. I think I found why the spacing was weird. Exactly. Ah, the camera again. Do you have a question, encounter a bug, or just want to ask me a new feature? Let your email address and I will do my best to answer you as soon as possible. This is good enough. Let's clean it up. Clean it up. TextField is there, reset button is there. There is too much space. Too much space, sorry. This is good, this is good, this is good, and this is good. And you know what we are going to do? We are going to first push this code. Adding a button for resetting the reset field content. Adding introduction text. Refactoring. No, creating subview for fields, and there is just one subview, so commit. So first we are committing. Second, I'm going to do command A. Sorry, I'm old school, I'm saying POM still. POM is a French name for Apple, and in the old time, before the command button was keyboard touch. I'm so tired today. Densha. No, it's not a Densha, it's a Gist. Sorry, your Gists. Feedback view. Edit. Bada boom. I think I'm gonna remove the. No. What the fuck am I doing? Edit. I think I'm going to remove the preview. Boom. The reset button, the text fields, and everything else is there. Yeah, update public gist, boom. Up, everything is there, perfect. No, app branding. If I'm doing mines, but I'm not, because I'm working as a freelancer. But usually I'm not doing branding because it's another job that I'm not super good at. I don't know if I'm super good or not, but I don't really like doing it, so I'm not doing it. I'm usually not doing it. Sorry. I'm doing it for me, and that's it. And when I'm seeing the time that it took for me to have this app icon for Densha, I don't want to waste time for others. So usually I'm not doing this. But if it's a small startup, we can discuss. If the project is a small budget, sometimes I'm doing stuff. It depends how the feeling is with the people I'm working with. Guys, we know what we are gonna do now, something fun. Can I do this on my stream? Yes, I've been trying to network with a designer who does logo and app design. The individual I worked with before, unfortunately passed away. Oh fuck, I'm sorry. You join me on, not join me, but just talk to me on Discord and we'll just explain. We can also maybe have a chat. It's easier than just text. Just have a quick call on Discord, and it's first I will be happy to see you, and second, it's always easier to understand what's going on. We are going to do something cool. First, I'm gonna do something to not. Oh no, we can live in the danger. We are going to add a target, and yes, we are going to build an AppClip. Product name exactly the same. Otaku. SwiftUI. Swift. It's using core data, not this one. This kind of 80s songs are like putting me on fire. Alors, dude, no, I'm not gonna give you a specific assets catalog. You're going to use this one. Boom! I'm curious to see how you set their location per se so users get notified for the AppClip. No, you cannot do this. No, you cannot do this. You can do this only if the AppClip has been installed, but you cannot have a push notifications popping up on your screen saying, I don't know, open the app and check your speed. No, you cannot do this. Content view. Alors, that's the tricky part that I need to find out. On Google, SwiftUI, if AppClip target, because I don't want to do. Ah yeah, it's working this way. I didn't know. Ah, okay. I didn't know that you could push if AppClip doesn't recognize the AppClip target. This is annoying. If AppClip is a compile time test, the compiler doesn't know what target you are compiling. It knows about active compilation conditions. But you have not proven with your screenshot that you have one. This is tough, Matt. Be nice with people. Okay, so we need to have a target defined build settings. Build settings to Swift compiler custom flags. Custom flags. Aha! Debug AppClip and release. We are going to no. Place cards in map when your AppClip is associated with a specific location. You can register your AppClip to appear on the place. Place card in maps so users can open it from there. This may be helpful for you to register the AppClip to train stations. But man, I cannot do this, I think, because to be able to specify a location, you need to have a way to validate that you are at this location and you're owning or renting something at that location. You know what I mean? I cannot register all train stations. It doesn't make sense. Otherwise, everyone can push something. I don't know. A competitor to Starbucks can open another one and push at every Starbucks something to compete with Starbucks. It doesn't make sense. Especially knowing Apple, they're probably validating address like shit. Like, but that's a good one. But I can try. Huh? I can also try. Okay, so we are going to try our new stuff. If app clip. Oh, it's not off, huh? It's if. Else and if. Okay, hello AppClip. I'm on fire this morning. Oh. Yeah, that's exactly what my point is, Alux. I'm gonna do this, and I'm even thinking, I thought about this, I don't know, a month or two ago, to create t-shirts. Imagine QR code on the back on your t-shirts. This has to be funnily made, otherwise it's boring. I mean, just a QR code with a baseline on the top of it doesn't make sense. Now it has to be something like cool. But I thought about this recently. So it's on the back of my mind. If AppClip, so this is working. So what I need to do is to first share everything. So this one, does it make sense? Coasters for drink, train drinks. That's a good idea. I'm sharing this. Colors, yes. Haptic, ouais, we should. Web view. I'm not sure we will need a web view. Huh? No. But even Haptic we can. Main composer, what is it? Oh, that's the old email stuff. I should get rid of it. Menu label. I'm gonna add it even I'm not expecting to add the menu. Map view wrapper. We definitely need a map view wrapper. The only stuff I'm trying this Purchase delegate, we don't. Device model, we don't. The only tricky part of this is going to be speed record, we don't. Core data helper, we don't. Is going to be the size of the AppClip, because AppClips are limited to 10 megabytes. And with Mapbox, I'm not sure I will be able to stay with the 10 megabytes. So that's the only stuff I'm a bit concerned with, but we'll see. Settings. Well, otherwise I'm going to have crash. Crash is global, definitely. Subscription manager, we shouldn't embed it. Component, text area. What the fuck is this text area? Oh, Jeremy, what did you do? I think there is some stuff. Error view, so this one is used. List button, no. List item, no. List item detail, oh la la, Jeremy, you need to... Ah, yes, okay. The edit button. Compass, compass, yes. Compass button, yes. Footer, we don't need, should be called menu footer. Liner gradient, yes. Location detail, yes. Menu button, no. Menu item default, no. Menu navigation custom, no. Overlay, of course we need it. And message too. Menu subview, menu default, speed record map, subscriptions, and confetti view, we don't need this. List view, menu view, no. No, list view, I don't need list view, sorry. This is a boring process, but I have to do it. Onboarding, it's okay. Assets, it's done already. And this, no, should be default. Well, there is a lot of stuff to do. There is a lot of stuff to do. I'm asking myself if I shouldn't. Yeah, because this is main view. No, this is not main view. What the fuck am I loading here? No, main view, yeah. Main view. Boom. This can go away. Okay. Here. I need to kind of duplicate all of these things. This I don't need, this I don't need, this... What? Ah, yes, for the... Up. Now this little thing is super important for sorry, I'm focused. For when you're submitting your app, otherwise you have it's annoying because the App Store Connect is pushing you out and telling you that you missed something, or I forgot the name of it. There is a message, a specific message. Allow arbitrary loads. I this when the app is using something. Oh fuck! Is using something outside. I'm doing it all the time because it's avoiding me to waste times. Okay. Required background mods. No, not for the AppClip. So this we are good. Yeah, but alors, this I don't need. This I don't need. This I don't need. This I need, except the subscription part. Subscription is out. Yeah. Settings. Location view model. Global. Am I missing anything? Because this I don't need, this I don't need, this, yes, and after set a data controller, so it should be okay, I guess. This is the AppClip. I should have like hell of warnings, yeah, because of this. Okay. I'm super happy because, I don't know if I'm super happy because it's gonna be annoying to read, so maybe I should do this. What I wanted to say already. Why it's a state object instead of an environment object for this one? Well, anyway, what I wanted to say already, because it's gonna be only one code for everything. Oh, zut. If AppClip and if okay. So you cannot have records. So we don't have any errors anymore on this one. Cannot find list button. Alors, what do we have here? Okay, okay. The compass mode, we want to have it. Oof. What? Yeah. Oh, and your message is still there. Why? This is not looking good. No such module mapbox map. I should probably do something here. Development set frameworks. Here we go. Boom. I think it should do the trick, right? Already? I was really not expecting the AppClip to be ready as to be able to run at the end of the stream, but it looks that it's gonna work. Build succeeded. Let's run. Okay. This is working well. This is working pretty well. And I have space on the bottom of the screen for the banner. Alors, AppClip banners. Because I forgot. Coaster for drinks link. swiftui AppClip banners. Support in invocation for your websites. That's not AppClip smart banner not showing. Voilà. Is it the one? No, I want to make me think that I need to the domain part of this is super annoying. The work to do for the domain. Oh, there is no music anymore. There is no music anymore. Voilà. Et voilà. You know what I'm going to do? I think I'm gonna check the shortcut and open Shubi, because Shubi has an AppClip version which is less clean than the one we just did, like a lot. This is not this. Haha. This is the thing. Where this is coming from? Ah. Okay. So the good part of, I think I should be able to do this. Where is the other one? I should be able to do this from this one. Initializing the thing, and I'm gonna pick up this position bottom. Here? Can I do this? It should be this already. And I should maybe import circuit. Here we go. Field succeed. For this to test, sorry for the camera, for this to test we need to run this on a real device. Oh, I hope it's gonna work, because the my test device is on the beta version, I think, of iOS. Oh, it looks it's working. Hello location, hello once. I don't have any banner, but after the stuff doesn't exist. Well, I'll see this later on, I guess. I need to optimize the domain and everything. Well, not optimize, but to create the domain, I need to add the fake domain on the phone for it to be able to run properly. So there's a little bit of work to do there. There is a bit of work to do there. Target statements. Fucking god. Running. So this one is done. Okay, so this is good. I need to check, because I think here we need to add some capabilities. Yeah, so app groups first. I forgot to do this. Okay. And yeah, associated domain. And I think I will have to do this also on the main app, actually. Alors, the domain is Densha.mobi. Is it this? Yes, it is. Alors, how to register AppClips Okay. So just the domain name, densha.mobi. Okay, good. I think I need to do it to validate my on the App Store Connect size. Let me check. Oh, seriously. So App Store Connect, sorry, asks me again for the two-factor authentication, which is happening like every too much. So I think I have something to do on the app side. No, I need to validate my... Fuck, I forgot how to do this. Well, I will have to have a look at this. Product page optimization, no. I need to have a look at this new stuff that Apple introduced. But maybe I need to have an AppClip version here, I don't know. Did I add the domain for the main Shubi app? Yeah. Okay, so I need to do the same for both. Okay, good. Oh, you can also have app clips on the iPad. I didn't know. Well, maybe after what I can do to check this is to check how I did this here. Yeah, so you need to have a build with an AppClip version basically to be able to add this, and that's probably where I put it. Yeah, exactly. That's the stuff. Maybe I can push a build. Let's do this. If we are doing this, it's going to be the 1.1.1. Versions are good. Versions are good. Let's push this and see during the day if I will be able to validate this domain name. I didn't know you can you could specify intents from this part. Yeah, it could be a good addition. Maybe in the future version of Densha, I can add a Siri shortcut to say, hey Siri, how fast am I traveling right now, or something like this. Could be nice. Oh fuck, I picked up the wrong stuff. I don't know why I have this new targets, a scheme now, right now, on the any iOS device, product archive. Archived failed? Oh my goodness. No, it's good. Embed without signing. Can you just do your fucking job, Xcode? Ah, God! Oh my gosh, this is so fucking annoying. So you know what's happening right now? It's me. This is a fucking issue with the targets that Xcode is not fucking able to manage by itself. Sorry, I'm pissed off. This is so fucking annoying. All the time it's the same story. It's not even able to fucking refresh the fucking stuff. The fucking window. Sorry, I'm super pissed by this. I mean, it's not like it's a basic thing of the fucking thing. Oh la la. This one is not shared, no. I'm gonna put this one here actually. My gosh. Duplicated output file. Okay, I remember now. Packages, reset packages cache. Now first I think I need to do this, and then I need to remove them from the target one by one, and then Xcode is able to handle the thing again. This is making me losing my fucking mind. It's not like it's... Putain. calme, Jérémy. No, I don't want to open Shubi, but this one. I'm gonna try right away to archive this project and see what's going on. Oh, fucking god, it's already failed. Failing, I mean. Okay, so we have the same issue. What is this one? And you cannot know which target is generating the issue. I'm gonna remove my box and see. Is it because of this? Let me check. No. Bon, it wasn't my box. Confetti. Oh, fucking god. Which is great, because as you can see, it's working. Oh my gosh. I'm so pissed. I am so pissed. I'm asking myself. If I shouldn't add something here. the amount of warning is mind-blowing. You cannot open the thing. This is so fucking annoying. Show in Finder doesn't work. Nothing works basically. Thank Xcode for being such a pain in the ass. The tricky part that I think I had the same issue with Shubi, and I don't remember how I solved this. Wait, because I have the same name, maybe. Let's do it this way. Yeah, I have two eyes, the same name. I think that's a mistake I did. How can I change the... So iOS. That's only because of the name, seriously. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think it is, because it's building right now. Build succeed. Now, can we build the AppClip? Yes, build succeed. So this is the AppClip version. And it's working. Yes, it is. I'm just going to change something again, which is the name that I'm gonna keep like this, because it is different on the target's name and the display name. And this I want to keep it as it is. So I'm gonna clean up everything. Run it again actually for double check. It's unbelievable when you don't have core data or CloudKit embedded into the app. The building is so fast, a lot faster than when you have this framework. Okay, now let's run the iOS 1. Succeed. And everything is there. So let's first check what we have here. So that was exactly what was happening. Okay, I learned something again. Archive. Xcode is archiving. Let's have a break. Still archiving, guys. That's really long. Build succeeded. Distribute, App Store Connect. And we have the clip. Why I don't have any icon on the clip? After it was working on the simulator, I think the AppClip disappeared. Well, I'm gonna finish this. Thanks for joining, everyone. At the end of the stream, have a good day if you're starting your day. Have a good afternoon if you're in the middle of your afternoon. Have a good night if you're going to bed, because if you are in the US, it's a bit late, guys. You should sleep. This replay will be available tomorrow morning on YouTube. So please follow the channel, give it a thumb on YouTube, because I'm trying to grow a bit on YouTube. My schedule is not allowing me right now to do my plan, but I have a plan for YouTube. And I'm planning to do some videos, and I have everything written. I just need to do it, basically, but it's taking me ages to do this because my schedule is super tricky right now. And yeah, that's it. I wish you. We are Thursday, yes. So I wish you a good weekend. If it's also the weekend for you. And see you next week. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.